He paid you. Oh my goodness. Kiss Daddy P.
No.
So sweet naman ng baby ng mama ba?
He did equivocate on whether or not he would go forward with the arms sales. You heard what he said. He said he wants obviously peace.
Oh, siya.
Tell Rob.
Complained about this, these arms sales to him.
You so
And he
pogi
said,
iya.
"Make a decision. I sure
Huh?
hope he decides to go forward.
It-
If he doesn't go forward,
And just let
he'll be
him.
the first
If what he
American
gonna do.
in a half a century who will not fulfill these obligations we have, political and ethical, to try to
Kain. He said kain. Oh my gosh. Instead of daddy. Yung daddy ang magsubo sa 2 years old. Yan yung magsubo kay daddy niya.
To Taiwan itself, or to South Korea, or even I would say
Oh my
to
goodness.
Australia. If we're willing to give up our defense
Nak.
commitments to Taiwan, the thought might run in all of those capitals that I mentioned, including your own. How good is the commitment of the United States? So I think this very important. It would be a major strategic.
Wala na nak.
Should
Wala
President
na?
Trump step down, I have to
Wala
believe
na.
that
Oh,
cooler heads
wala
in
na
the Trump
pala.
administration will persuade him he must go forward with
Ayusin
this
mo.
arms deal for Taiwan.
Ambassador Burns,
Ah,
the
mayroon
language of
pa.
diplomacy
Ano
is well
naman itong
established,
maniksubo
is
sa daddy,
nuanced, it is
bagal-bagal.
sensitive, highly informed, words matter, and the choice of words are often poured over into the details. And Donald Trump, though, sort of
Yummy.
upsets that
Yummy, Dad.
paradox. How difficult is it to pass diplomatically what Trump is saying in these kinds of meetings?
Himself in all the details of the history of these policies, in this case, the 50-year-long history. I thought when President Trump and the forced Mormon went on about how great a president Xi Jinping is and how much President Trump admired President Xi. It's understandable that President Trump would want to be polite and civil. Of course, anyone should in that situation. But
Mine. It's not yours.
President Trump might have
Mine,
looked
mine
more
ka
like a
dyan.
supplicant, unfortunately. I don't think he wanted to look like that. But I think it came off that way. The excessive personal praise for the Chinese leader. And from an American
So cute ba
context,
nak?
to say that Xi
Nak,
Jinping's a great
kahit may pasa
president,
ka sa ulo mo, nauntog kasi yan, oh. You're so cute naman ay Ayusin mo yung kanina yan.
Mm-hmm.
Hayaan mo kasi si daddy mo. May alam pa man ito ay Oy, no ha.
Anong papa? On the business language of flattery rather than on diplomacy. He was
Gabi
like
na.
a bunch of glowing jets.
Ay, hindi na kayo nag-brush na tayo ng teeth mo. May I see your teeth? Pink-pink pa yung mukha mo, oh. Sabihin mo, hi. Say hi to Jess. Dede. Pinitid lang. Ay, susi. So cute. Pa-cute na si daddy.